Hi everyone. Right, no one said that we had to do Christmas decorations in the traditional Christmas sense. So what I've done is I've been making these little hearts and doing them with the flowers and what I'm calling them is my shabby chic Christmas tree decoration. Oh, sorry. So hopefully you can see that. I have mixed lilacs and pinks and whatever together. Got some little dangly bits on the end, some pearly bits. I've used some muslin and shredded that, and then put the lace under that with a little hanger. So that's that one, and I do think it looks pretty cute, really. I also made this one. It's just fun to make, lots of colours. I like that one, because purples are my colours, of course, though I'm not having that colour on my tree. I just think they're really fun to make. I've also been making some more flowers, which I've made that one. Again, using the muslin, I did that one with the doily, the muslin, a doily, and then a flower with pearl and a flower on top. And I just think they look pretty neat. I'm quite pleased with them all. It's nice to play around, see what you can come up with. Besides that, or those, I also made another wreath. Because like I say, I'm going to show you them anyway, because I've got a box full of stuff now. So, for my table, there's another. Oh, let me just pull the camera up a little bit. Oop, wrong way. I always do it the wrong way, don't I? So there's that one. And that's really nice. I like that one. Well, I mean, they don't have to be used as a wreath. As people have suggested, put a candle in the middle so there can be a table, you know, for your table. It's not too bulky or anything like that. But I do like them, and I think they're coming up really cute. So there's that one. That one. So use them for your Christmas, you know, your table, your bedroom table. Put a candle on it. That one. That one. The headbands I've done a stash of headbands. You saw that one last night. That's not a headband, but that's the hanger from last night. So there's that. I'm going to show you the headbands that I've done. I've made all the flowers that's gone on them. So there's that one. And all of them can be, you just take them off and hook them back on when you want, if you want to swap and change. That one. That one. Just love the plainish ones, you know. Less is more, so they say. My granddaughter does anyway. But I do love those. I have to say that. Not a bling in sight. Not a bit of bling in sight. Because you don't need to have bling. Beautiful. Love that one. And all of these, they're all different. Lots of different colours. Because, you know, going off what I sold in the summer fair, the girls absolutely love everything. There's no particular colour. And that's that lot. So I'm just going to pop those back in the box. And like I say, there's a whole bag of flowers I've got here as well. On top of that, I've got all the flowers that I made the other day that will be going. And now these. I mean, these really look pretty. I'm going to bag everything up. And, yeah. But, like I say, I'm quite happy. Very happy, actually, with these. Because you can hang them. I mean, you don't have to. It's not necessarily for Christmas. If you just like that, you know, you could make that and hang it wherever you want. And it's just a piece of heart-shaped chipboard. These, I just cut these out. And all I did to do that was I took, let me just make sure my scissors are on. I took a piece 6x6 chipboard, cut the chipboard into quarters. Right, started there in the centre, went up to the corner, rounded that off straight away, turned it over, up to the corner again, round it off as you get to the corner, and then just help them two bits meet in the middle, and here presto, you've got a heart. And if they're out of shape a little bit, just shape them up, and there you go. As simple, as quick and as easy as that. And that's how they were done. So I hope you like those. I do like the Shabby Chic one. Yeah. All the Shabby Chic colours mixed in together. You know, go away, have fun. Like I say, with this one, I'll tell you what I did with this one. I put these squares. Now, I haven't got one, have I? Have I got one? Right, let me just show you. What did I do with that? Oh, hang on a minute. It's in here. I'll show you what I did. I just took the square that I had and I just pulled it apart like that. So it's only like a muslin. And then I glued that to the back of the hat just so that the muslin was showing, and then I put the lace on. So as you can see, where is it, that one, I've got the lace on the very back but the muslin's underneath that, and it just shows underneath, and it's brilliant. It's a really good way of doing them. But that's what I did. That's how it's done. I've just had fun, and I now need to get myself some more flowers. That's the last bag. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. I hope you have fun playing around. Make yourself some really nice, pretty adornments for the whole, not room, but the whole house. One of those look nice in the bathroom somewhere. Do your bedroom up with one. Do a nice big one. And ribbon roses. Now, I'll tell you. Wait a minute. Anne. That's XR. Is it XNRO1? She makes these ribbon roses. She shows you how to do them. I've done it, but I can't remember where the video is, because when Anne did hers, I showed my subbies how she'd done it and then put a link to her website. But if you go to Anne, I'll put it in the description of this video, and you'll be able to nip along and find it on her channel. And then you can make yourself a whole batch of ribbon roses. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll speak to you soon. And can't wait for tomorrow night. The haunted hour. Woo!